If you've ever opened a PowerPoint file and seen a warning about macros, you might have wondered whether you should enable or disable them. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to manage macro settings in PowerPoint step by step, so you can take full control of your files without any confusion. First, open PowerPoint and click on the File tab in the top left corner. From the menu, scroll down and select Options. This will open the PowerPoint Options window. On the left-hand side, click Trust Center, and then on the right, hit the Trust Center Settings button. A new window will pop up with several options. Here, choose Macro Settings from the left-hand panel. Now you'll see 4 different security options. Disable all macros with notification. This is the default. It disables macros but gives you a warning so you can choose to enable them if needed. Disable all macros without notification. This completely blocks macros with no alerts at all. Disable all macros except digitally signed macros. This only allows macros from trusted publishers with a valid digital signature. Once you've selected your preferred option, click OK to close the Trust Center, and then click OK again to exit PowerPoint Options. That's it. Your macros are now enabled or disabled based on the setting you chose. This quick adjustment helps you stay secure while still having the flexibility to use macros when necessary. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like and share it with someone who might need it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.